In this video, I will be showing you how to create a text box in Canva. Let's get started. From the Canva home screen, I click on the Custom Size button and select a standard portrait dimension to open a new design. Once the editor loads, I head over to the left-hand sidebar and click on the Elements tab. In the search bar, I type in text box to see the available graphic options. I click on See All next to Graphics to browse through the different styles. I start by selecting a simple, bordered rectangular text box and move it to the top of my canvas. Next, I pick a solid yellow box with rounded corners, followed by a sleek blue and white gradient box, and a larger yellow one with a dark border, resizing them as I go to fit the layout. I continue adding more styles, like this thin-lined pink box and a small yellow callout. To find even more specialized designs, I search for 3D text box in the Elements search bar. I scroll through the results and select a vibrant 3D purple button-style box, then a similar one in blue, and finally a red 3D box, arranging them neatly on the page. And that is how you can easily find and add various text box styles to your Canva designs.